Welcome back. Now, once you've connected the mic that you're going to use with your system, you're going to want to select that mic in Audacity here in this area. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the drop-down menu. And what you're going to see are all the mic connections for your personal computer. You are then going to want to select the one that you're going to use. Now, when you select a microphone, you're going to notice here on the left side menu that there are several input systems. The default setting is going to be multimedia events. It's going to be primarily for Windows-based systems. Now, if you have problems with your recording, you can always change these input processes. However, you can safely, if you're using a Windows computer, leave the default setting, which is multimedia events, or MME. What we're going to do first is we're going to test our microphone connection. And to do that, we're just going to hit this red record button, and we're going to record our voice. What we mainly want to see here is that our mic is connected and producing audio inside of Audacity. So we're going to click this button. We're then going to continue speaking into this area, and then we're going to stop the process. Once we stop the process, what we can do is we can pull the cursor all the way back to the beginning, and we can do that by clicking this button. That'll take us all the way back to the beginning. We're going to make sure that the speakers are on so that we can hear them. And then we're going to play our recording in order to test it. So we can confirm that our microphone is working and it is producing audio through our system into Audacity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.